Did you know that every business that accepts credit card payments has a merchant category code, or an MCC? These 4-digit codes have a huge impact on how much you pay in fees, how banks categorize your business, and even what credit card rewards your customers earn. Whether you're a business owner trying to cut costs or a consumer looking to maximize your perks, understanding MCCs is a game changer. So let's break down what MCC codes are, how they work, and how to find yours. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on important payment tips that can help your business thrive. A merchant category code, MCC, is a 4-digit number that credit card networks like Visa, Mastercard, and American Express assign to businesses. These codes categorize businesses based on what they sell or the services they offer. For example, a restaurant will have a different MCC than a grocery store, an airline, or a clothing boutique. MCCs don't just organize businesses, they also affect how transactions are processed, the fees businesses pay, and even the benefits that consumers get from their credit cards. MCCs impact both business owners and consumers, but in different ways. If you own a business, your MCC determines the processing fees you pay for credit card transactions. Since MCCs play a role in risk classification, some industries pay higher fees than others based on their risk level. That being said, industries that are considered high risk may face stricter regulations and higher processing costs. Your MCC can even dictate which processors are willing to work with your business. Some won't approve certain high-risk MCCs at all. And if your business is misclassified, you could face big fines in addition to limited processing options. If you want to learn more about high-risk businesses and see whether your business is high-risk or not, check out this video here. So, all of this means that two businesses could be processing the same sale amount, but paying different rates based on their MCC. This is important to know because if your MCC misclassifies your business, you could be paying more in fees than you need to. When it comes to taxes, the IRS uses MCCs to track certain deductible business expenses on the 1099 tax form. Your MCC code also affects your ability to charge convenience fees on credit card payments. This code also impacts what type of payments you can accept. If you're running a healthcare business and want to accept payment from a health savings account, your business needs to qualify for an MCC specifically classifying it as a healthcare business. Now, if you're a consumer, MCCs affect you in other ways. Credit card companies use them to determine rewards. Ever notice how some cards offer 3 times points on dining or 5% cash back at gas stations? That's all based on MCCs. You need to know this if you want to maximize your cash back because buying lunch at a grocery store combined with a restaurant isn't the same as buying at an actual restaurant, so you may not reap the same rewards. Banks also use these codes for spending categories. When you check your credit card statement or budgeting app and see your expenses neatly sorted into categories like restaurants or travel, that's all because of MCCs. If your credit card issuer doesn't give you the rewards you're entitled to, knowing the MCCs of the businesses you're shopping at can help your case in addressing this. If you're a business owner and need to look up your MCC, there are a few ways to find it. First, check your merchant account statement. Your payment processor will usually list your MCC in your account details or transaction reports. If you don't see it there, your payment processor can confirm it for you. Just give them a quick call or check your merchant portal. If you're curious about other MCCs, major credit card networks like Visa, Mastercard, and American Express have their own MCC systems, but most of them follow similar standards. If you want to see the full list, your best bet is to check with your payment processor or visit the public list of MCCs that you can search through from the card networks themselves. Merchant category codes might not be something business owners or consumers think about every day, but they affect everything from processing fees to credit card rewards. Whether you're looking to optimize your business expenses or maximize your credit card perks, knowing your MCC can save you money. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights into payment processing and business finance. Have a question? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and happy processing!